Okay, I'm going to talk about our bonus level, which can also be used as a primary business. If you came into the bonus level this way, or if you're in Superior Freebies or one of the other networks, you can utilize this in addition to that as a bonus level like we're doing here. They started in the industry. They actually started the industry in about 2005, and many of the companies you see today came from Transcendent Innovations. So they're one of the oldest in starting the freebie marketing. How does it work? Basically, it works very differently than Superior Freebies or any of the other networks in that you complete a site and then move on to the next one. So let's take a look at how many sites they've got. All these sites are what they have now. They're going to be changing their platform in June and possibly be able to work a site over and over again. But for the moment, once you complete a site like your iPod Touch for free, you would move on to the next one, like your iPhone or whatever one that you want to move to, like this one, 3604.com, which is over here. This is what I'm working on currently. And each one pays a little differently based upon the referrals. You can change the gift that you get. I'll go over here and show you this real quick. It's 10 referrals for $415 in cash, or 8 referrals for $350 in cash. So you can see how that works. So you got cash here, or $415 for 10 referrals here. So this is where I'm currently at now. So you can see that once you complete 10 referrals, you're basically able to submit your account for review, and it's accepted in about 2 or 3 days. Then you can request to be paid in the next pay period, which they pay every Wednesday and every Saturday. So this is how this works. So basically, you have someone complete an offer using your link, and they get credited up here. And then once you reach 10, you get paid $415 in cash. And you can see. Let me show you 2 payments here. This one's $400. And here's the other one I got, which is $350. And so you can see you get paid into your PayPal account, which is great. Let's go back over and talk about why we use it and how we use it. The reason we added this into our the level of commissions that we do as a bonus commission is that it allows you to add great income each month along with everyone that you talk to. Basically, to complete a Fab 40 is about $13. For about $3 more, you can substitute a couple of other offers that cost about $3. And you can then come over here to the bonus level and complete My Score, which is free, and completes this level. So it's great to be able to have that option. So I basically market by saying to someone, okay, we're almost done. We can do My Score and complete the offer, complete the level on Fab 40 for Superior Freebies, and you're eligible to receive $54 in commission. If you'd like to add another $40 to your commission to make $94 in commissions per person, if you add this, we'll do the My Score over on our bonus level, and you'll just complete a couple of extra offers. One of them's $3, one of them's free. And that's how you can complete and do qualify for the bonus with our bonus level and get paid almost double. So what would you like to do? Do you want to complete the My Score for free on Superior Freebies and just make 54, or would you like to make 94 and just spend another $3 to do that? And I haven't had anybody that says they didn't want to do that. Why wouldn't you want to add as much to your commissions as possible? Okay, so here's another point I want to bring up of why we use this is suppose you're talking to somebody and they don't have $13 to do Superior Freebies, but they do have a bank debit card or a credit card. Now, I don't know anyone who doesn't have it unless they're overdrawn that doesn't have $1 on their card. They can do My Score. The dollar is refunded when they cancel if they decide not to keep the offer. So basically the offer ends up being free. Okay, so let's talk about when someone that you talk to doesn't have a credit card or bank debit card. most of the time you'll have to just send them on their way. Well, you don't need to do that anymore because you can also complete these levels, these sites by doing Ghostbusters, and I'll show you that in a moment here as well. Well, actually, let's cover it now. You can do MyScore for free. You can go over here to GSN Ghostbusters and complete this for $10. Or you can even do Disney. Well, no, you can't do Disney, but you can do GSN Ghostbusters slots, and you can use a prepaid card, or you can pay for it with the balance out of a PayPal account. So for $10, someone can start this business and use a prepaid card or a PayPal balance. So that's one way of completing this level, so that this site, so that they can do the business. So there's no need to turn anyone away, and it's easy to market. You can also market this as well on its own. Basically, like turn a refundable $1 into $400 over and over again. Ask me how. And basically, you can show this, which I posted on our training site. You can post this as an image and show people how you can get paid $400 over and over again. Ask me how, and just post the image. So that's basically how this works and why it's so simple and easy to do. So how do you get paid? Basically, let's go back over that, and I'll show you how this is done. It's really simple. Again, this one, I opted to do 10 referrals for $415 rather than 8 referrals for $350. So every time I talk to someone, either they're going to sign up with Superior Freebies and this, or they'll sign up for this. And if you've just joined this and you're not in Superior Freebies, there is a way of applying for a debit card and completing this. So ask your trainer how to do that. But in the meantime, this is a great way of making money, and we train on this as well. So for those of you who are on the bonus level only, or even for those of you who are on both Superior Freebies and the bonus, it's going to work the same way. As you're talking to somebody and they're completing this with either GSN or MyScore, each referral that pops up here, MyScore is an instant posting, and GSN takes a day. So as they come on here, and when you hit 10 referrals, that's going to complete the site, and it'll say you can now submit your account for review. You submit it for review. It takes about 2 or 3 days, and then once that's done, they'll come back and say, okay, you're ready to order. So then you can order your commission, and then you'll click here. Everything's going to happen in here under the progress area. Then you're basically going to submit an order by clicking on the order your commissions, and you'll fill out your information, and in the special note you'll put in simply, please pay me to my PayPal account, and they'll pay to your PayPal account, and they will pay it on the next payday, which is Wednesdays or Saturdays. So you'll just specify when you want to get paid, and where you want to get paid to in the special notes, and they'll pay in the next pay period. So this is very quick, and it only takes about 4 or 5 or 6 days, but it's great. And again, you can get people to accomplish to qualify for their site with MyScore for free. So it's wonderful. So let's cover a couple of other things here. Basically, if you're not in the bonus site, you really need to be, because you're leaving money on the table. It's probably one of the easiest things I've ever done in the 2.5 years that I've been in this industry. So get with your referrer or your trainer and get a link to their bonus site. And if they don't have one, go ahead and feel free to send us an email with your sponsor's name, and you can send it to Online Marketing Systems 77@gmail.com. So that's an S at the end of systems. So Online Marketing Systems 77@gmail.com, and just again specify who your sponsor is, and we'll check to see with them if they have a link, and if they don't, we'll figure that out with you. So, but definitely have this because it's a great way of making extra money. Any questions, just let your trainer know. And for now, that's about it.